Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use the OR function in Excel. OR condition will be opposite to AND condition. As we have seen in our previous video how to use the AND condition, OR condition is opposite to AND condition. If any one of the condition is true, then it will return the true value. If both the conditions is false, then it will return the false value. So let us see with an example. For example purpose, I have taken column A, column B, and column C. So in column C, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the OR condition. I'm selecting any one value, that is 80, logical 1 greater than 50, and then comma 100 greater than 60. And if you give enter, it will return true. Because in this cell, you see C7 greater than E4, that is 100 greater than 60. So that's why it is returning as true. Let us see one more example on OR condition. Is equal to OR open parenthesis 20 greater than 50, and then the second condition is 40 greater than 60. And if you give enter, it will return false because both the conditions are false. So that's why the Boolean value false is written. This is how we will be performing an OR function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this. If you need any clarification on Excel tutorials, please write it down in the comment section.